Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use YouTube's new image to video feature. This update lets you turn a single photo or multiple images into a smooth short form video directly inside YouTube without needing any external editor. So first of all, you need to start by opening your YouTube application, or you can also come here on youtube.com. Over here, click on the option of create on the top. Now you are going to see the image to video option depending on your region. If you find the option over here, you just have to simply select it and YouTube will open your gallery so that you can pick one or more pictures from your device. Now once you select those pictures, YouTube automatically going to generate a short video with the motion effects, zoom ins and transitions. You can adjust the duration, change the pacing and reorder the images as well. There is also a style tab where you can pick the different themes, the filters and dynamic effects so that your video could get more cinematic and trendy look. So this way you will be able to use YouTube's new image to video feature. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.